Okay, we're now going to look at finding the volume of a square base pyramid, which is the third of the new solids that we've started to look at with National 5. So a square based being the bottom is shaped as a square, so there's a square base pyramid. And the formula to find the volume is 1/3 A times H, where A is the area of the base, and as expected, H is the height of the shape. Okay, so let's start with this one, and let's say that was 6 centimetres for that length of the base there, and the height is 50 centimetres. Okay, so to find the volume, it's 1/3 multiplied by the area of the base multiplied by the height. So that's 1/3 multiplied by the area of the base. Well, we can see clearly that the length of one of the sides of the square is 6 centimetres. Now, since it's a square base, all these lengths must be 6 centimetres. So to find the area of the square, then it's just length times length, or length times breadth, but they're both the same, 6 times 6. So the area of the square then is 36 square centimetres. So it's 1/3 times 36 multiplied by 50. At that point, we don't really need a calculator for this one. This is definitely a non-calculator question. So 1/3 of 36, well, it's 36 divided by 3, that's 12, and then it's just 12 times 50. Okay, 12 times 50, well, think about 12 times 5. 12 times 5 is 60. I just then need to multiply that by 10, and that will give me 600 cubic centimetres. Final answer. Okay, example 2. We're going to find the volume of the pyramid. And again, it's got a square base, so it's a square base pyramid. And this time I'm told that the length of one of the sides of the base is 7 centimetres, and that the height of the pyramid is given by 12 centimetres. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is get down the formula, 1/3 A times H. This one is a calculator question this time. So it's going to be a 1/3 of the area of the base, so that's the square. So how do I find that? Well, it's just length times breadth. And since it's a square, the length and the breadth are the same. They're both 7. 7 sevens, that's 49. Bring it back in, 49. 1/3 times 49 multiplied with the height of the shape, which is 12. Okay, so again, this is one that I can definitely attempt with a calculator. So 1/3 of 49, well, that appears as if it might be a calculator question because that would give me a decimal number, but I don't need to do things in that order. So if I've got A times B times C, I could write that as A times C times B and attempt it that way. Well, if you think about 1/3 times 12, that would give me 4. And now I've got 4 times 49. Well, that's easy enough. Go to the side. 49 times 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 6 down, carry 3. 4 4s are 16, plus the 3 is 19. And that will give me 196 cubic centimetres. Final answer.